the Mercedes OEs? Is this the last OG E-Class? Because with every generation, with every change, car guys seem to say that the car that had the previous gen is the last OG. If you like the Nürburgring, and assuming you do because you clicked on this video, go to Nürburgring.com, where you can find all kinds of Nürburgring licensed products co-designed by me, ranging from socks to official Nürburgring 360 roadbook co-written by me, and even Christmas sweaters, including kids collection, and many, many more Nürburgring licensed products to come. So go to Nürburgring.com, which stands for Nürburgring Embassy, and become our brand ambassador. Oh yeah. We have like a big collection of all the license plates from Hungary. You've seen the Serbia there, over there as well, and yeah, we have Lapos car, of course, but that's not really part of the club. Anyway, today we are driving E55 AMG wagon that has been rebuilt and restored to every bolt, nut and screw, and you name it. This is the owner, but hello, but his English spoken skills are not that great, so you will be translated by who's talking?
I can translate.
Yes, not an issue. Fantastic. So tell us about the facts and features about this engine and weight and etc.
Ovo je 55 AMG original koji je došao kod mene sa pokvarenim motorom i sa mnogo problema, i onda je ponovo sam počela restauracija, nov je motor, novo je sve odrađeno, sve što je moglo se naručiti, sve je poručeno i u principu je odrađeno sve.
So basically it's a 55 AMG
that came to him with lots of problems.
Yeah, it came with him filled with problems, with a broken engine. So he did a full rebuild, a full overhaul. Everything that had to be done has been done, and basically it has been, like you said, fully
Novi amortizeri, novi amortizeri,
new shocks, new everything.
Can we see the engine?
Yes.
Yes, please. Oh yeah. So what year is the car?
2000.
2000. Nice. It's like 25 years old. 5.5 naturally aspirated V8 hidden underneath here. How much?
Jako je redak primjerak, zato što postoje svo ekstra ima, što postojalo sve u njemu.
Yeah, it's very rare because it has all of the options that it could go with. Literally everything. You could order.
Nice.
Najređe što je u njemu, to je VMAX original, do 300 je kalibriran i zna da ide 300.
Yeah, it has the VMAX option, so it can go like 300 kilometers an hour.
Yeah, and he tried it. Yeah.
He tried it multiple times.
Of course. That's why you're here in Germany. Yeah, to enjoy it. Absolutely. So what's the power of this?
Koliko snaga?
354 konja.
354 horsepowers.
And newton meters? Moment?
Ne znam.
460.
460.
Okay. Yeah. And what's the weight?
Koliko težak?
Opet ne znam. Mogu da kažem. Samo malo.
1800. Yeah, 1800, yeah. Wow. Yeah, it's of course on the heavy side, but lots of proper steel was used from the end of 90s. So you can see that the car is still in pristine condition, and the engine is working, and you have lots of luxury and all the options you can possibly imagine from those years. Even here, like the alarm to make sure that your car is getting towed. You can switch it off so it's like, okay, now it can be on again. Oh, it's heated and ventilated seats. Really, everything. Oh, it's that. Oh, tire pressure.
Yes.
Nice.
Webasto.
Wow.
ADS.
Nice.
Gragen.
Yeah. Wow.
Alcantara.
No, yeah.
SOS.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow. Oh, what do we have there? Cup holders, multi-size.
Cup holders, multi-contour.
Yeah. Yeah, for your seat.
Memory seat.
Memory seat.
Voice control.
Really? Ah, yeah. Huh.
Kilometer.
Nice. To be honest, that's even much more impressive than the features of today's cars. Oh, the phone, of course. Telephone. Ah, lovely.
It's original.
Yeah. and a lot of space. Look how much space there is. Ugh. Whew. Wow, fantastic. Oh, hvala puno za sve. Thank you guys, and you guys enjoy the lap. Welcome to the track. There is the driver's school ahead of us. I wonder if it's legit someone doing their driving exam, because at the end of the day, Nürburgring is public road, or someone from the driving school decided to just like, you know, to do a lap and have their car featured on Race Tracker so they can feature it on their website. So anyway, let's proceed. I didn't see any like ESC, TC off, that kind of stuff. So we just go. Oh no, how does that work? Oh, the closeness. Oh, there we go. Fantastic. Yeah. Alright, so driving school is taking it easy, which is very good, very responsible. There is some noise coming up from the door pocket, so the car was not completely empty on my request. It's quite sad, so you will hear everything moving around. But previously, I drove the swapped C36 AMG, whereas now we have the E55 OG, and the car, according to the owner, man, why is that sad? There was a lot more stuff in the car, so I saw them emptying the car, but apparently not enough. But then again, also when I drive it, quite often people find new things that were hidden away underneath the couch. And then all of a sudden when I start driving, oh no, traction control is on, and didn't like it. It's kicked in. Should we take the curve? Anyway, according to the owner, it's not my GoPro, so whatever is flying around, it's flying around. If they forgot something, it's there. According to the owner, the car has been absolutely restored until every single bolt, which is great. So this means fast polish that up. We have Fiat 500 on our way. Sorry, it's an Abarth. I know the Abarth community are gonna kill me now. Like, it's not a Fiat, it's an Abarth. It's not a Mercedes, it's an AMG. Look the same. Anyway, 200-something kilometers per hour through Schwedenkreuz. None of that matters because we're in a very luxury barge, but actually very comfortable luxury barge. We're approaching Arnberg, which is today being occupied by stateside SIP cards, so there's not much I can do because we have TC fully on. We made it. Fantastic. So maybe we'll have some nice outside footage. Unlike the more recent AMGs, the E-classes, it's still very tame in terms of the sounds, because the latest ones, the turbocharged ones, once you do some downpipe upgrade, it starts really screaming and roaring, whereas this is a bit, yeah, very luxury. And again, the car is also pretty much fully stopped, so kick down. That's not too bad, not too bad. 5.5 liter V8, and I guess, I'm pretty sure, because sometimes I'm certain of things and then I see them and I'm completely off, but this feels like a bit of torque lacking compared to like a turbocharged version, but still very, very good. Question to the Mercedes audience: is this the last OG E-Class? Because with every generation, with every change, car guys seem to say that the car that had the previous gen is the last OG. Like for example with Porsche, 993 is the last 911 because it's air-cooled. No, 997 because it has engine, the Metzger engine. No, 991 because it was manual until it wasn't manual, and then it was manual again, and that kind of stuff. So, what's up with this? Is this the last OG E-Class because it was NA? Or had some weird switch that allowed you to disable the tow features that alarm wouldn't go off because stealing tow prevention? suspension was loaded, there was less body roll than usually would be, and the turning was much more direct. And this is the same effect you're trying to achieve when trail braking. So you can put front axle under load, you turn in, you have much more sharper turn, and yeah, very fast everything behind us. So we're going to let them through. We have another Ford next to us, so once we two passed us, we passed them. He's indicating everybody happy. What a lovely evening. Going to, something is smelling. I hope sincerely it's not us. I don't think it's us, but you might never know. So probably it's the Ford that. Nah, it's not us. Brakes are still phenomenal, optimal. So from here on, it should be much more easier for the car to drive around the track, because the track is going downhill, so it doesn't need to push too much. Let's take the Wipperman challenge. Two photographers there. One of them is, I don't know, I thought I would recognize someone, but it was not. Regardless, should have fun experience, fun pictures, fun footage. Alright, so Grinchen is the owner, waiting for his baby to see fly by. On the edge. On the edge. There's also someone filming. I'm not sure if it's stateside supercars with a second camera. So, funny thing is that the Nürburgring videographers are only allowed to have 2 media vests per person per season. So even though I know Auto Addiction, stateside supercars try to have like multiple angles to show you the best content from every angle possible, not more than 2 cameras are allowed per day because you have 2 vests. So it's just a fact. I think it gives you a fair competition towards other channels that may or may not have media license. But, yeah, we're approaching end of the lap. Usually I would say I will be quiet so you can listen to stuff. I'll be quiet for 2 corners so you can listen to stuff. I said everything I wanted to say. The car is marvelous, lots of luxury, because again, this is no track car. This is a long distance Autobahn cruiser or a family car with all the space that you have in it. And it was one of the most comfortable, fast-paced laps I've ever experienced. So even after, like, what, realistically speaking, 20 years old, this car, of course it's been restored and rebuilt. But do I want to say it drives better than some of its modern, like, brothers and sisters and grandchildren? I think yes, because it's lighter than something else. No, I should say it a bit better. Like, let's speak about bang for buck, because how much would this one cost you? And how much would the other one cost you? And like I said, I was driving with air conditioning, enjoying my life on a lap, being in comfort, talking to you, while still having fantastic pace. So overall, lovely piece of engineering. Even after all these years, it still holds up fantastic. So if you're looking for a fast daily with a lot of space and comfort, this is it. I do not know about reliability, but in terms of driving performance and comfort, what would you need? Maybe fuel consumption, car guy, or no, average petrol head who says that electric car can only do 3 laps or 4 laps. This car can also do not that many. Actually, the NA cars can do like